What's going on, guys? It's Noah from UK Mobile Review, and yes, in front of us is the new Gear 2 Neo smartwatch. As you can see, it looks a little bit different to the original Gear, and that's because this doesn't run on the Android platform, it runs on the Tizen platform. Samsung's used their investment in Tizen to create their own wearable operating system. So, just like the Galaxy Gear smartwatch, it has a swipe left and right interface. But unlike the Gear, it's not one icon per screen, it's 4. This makes it a lot easier and a lot nicer to use. As you can see, it takes less scrolling to get to the applications you need. The device itself has the 1.64-inch Super AMOLED display. Beneath it is the home button, which now acts as the power button as well. And above it is IR Blaster, which allows you to control your TV directly from your watch. Really handy to have. So the first screen gives us notification, logs, dialer and contacts. The next screen gives us apps, settings and music player. Scroll to the right again, you've got watch on, S-Voice, find my device and voice memo. And then pedometer, exercise, heart rate monitor and controls. This is your main screen. And directly from here you can see we've got access to notifications, settings and pedometer. Unlike the Gear, which had a camera and all of the additional features, this is now much more of a useful health and fitness tracker than the Gear ever was. The Gear was just a pedometer, but this does an awful lot more. So instead of having the power button here on the right, which we had with the original Gear, the Gear 2 Neo now has it built into the home button. And if we go in the settings menu and down to double press, we can choose for what it happens. So when we double press this, we have a choice of different options. Really handy probably is to have the heart rate monitor. So now when we double press, and making sure that we've covered the heart rate monitor itself, with our finger at least, so it's got something to measure. It activates the heart rate monitor and then you can click on start. We see it's 91 beats per minute, and that's it. Really easy to do. Swipe down from the top again gives you the gestures that you wanted, which is to go back a screen. Now if we swipe down from the top again, there's nothing. So the controls have changed definitely. If we double tap the screen with 2 fingers, it still brings up the same menu. So it gives us the percentage for battery, Bluetooth connectivity, volume options. And you see it's a lot louder, it goes up to 15 instead of 6. So we can put that down. And you've got the brightness controls as well. So you've got outdoor mode, that's the maximum brightness, and it goes all the way down to 1, which isn't really worth using. 4 seems quite handy to have. Again, we swipe down from the top to go back to the previous screen. There's loads of options here. This is what the dialer looks like, and if you tap here you can access your logs. Swipe down from the top again, your contact list goes there, and as you can see it gives us phone numbers as well. Swipe to the right again, we've got a list of apps. So here we've got the apps. If you tap on apps, you can then take some things such as that we don't have on the home screen, such as schedule, press and hold it, and drag it on top of the home icon. We can see where it's flashing. And there it adds it to the home screen. If you want to remove it from the home screen, pick it up and either add it to a new page or delete it. The user interface is a lot more suited towards a watch and brings the Android style user interface and options that we've come to expect from Android devices, but on a watch basis. And on the basis of this, compared to just how limited in terms of UI the Galaxy Gear was, Samsung haven't done badly. But the question is, will Android Wear be the answer to their solutions? Do they need their own operating system, or can Android Wear be everything they need? We'll find out later in the summer. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.